Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Milford 1, TS Galaxy 1. TS Galaxy wins by penalties. I'm joined by the one, the only big man.
Sibo.
Yeah.
Izolo benginawo ngisho.
Yebo baba.
Ko benginawo.
Ethekwini.
Ngitheni?
Uthe uyashanga mhla.
Ngithi abafana bezako lawa.
Yeah.
Boys will be boys.
Yeah.
I always say like that. Boys will be boys. Men will be men.
Yeah.
La, it's his hot house.
Yeah, it's not how.
Ubuza uSundowns.
Yeah.
So makuza abafana abancane njengalabo buya hayi.
Angeke balungu.
Ukuthi badla ufish yolo ini asingeni into leyo. Siyashaya siyatumuza. Yes.
Yeah.
Siyatumuza.
Ngiyabulala.
Siya final.
Yeah.
And sifuna siyekiwo la.
Yeah. Mfuna basha eThekwini.
Durban City.
Mfuna basha eThekwini.
Abana laba.
Mfuna basha eThekwini.
Yazi. Wona into engijabulisa uyazi. Basafunda sesikolweni ngisho. Bazopromote, bazoyibona into bayifuna.
Yeah. Yeah, next season.
Sure.
Ngiphi man of the match, big man. Man of the match. Ngiphi man of the match, uba.
Ira. Yazi Ira udlala ulimele tamama.
Awuthepe
Ulimele
goalkeeper.
Man.
Quality.
That's a man.
Yeah, udlala njengoba
noma ungamvusa ebusuku ake umkhola
uthepe
ungasithenga uvume ne boxing man sifuna abantu boxing
sifuna bokeeper big man lalela ngithunywa belungu baba wami bathe next game yifinal ngithi mangathatha ipersonal loan yeNedbank eye9,000 mangakora nje uzindonga baba wami uzindonga mangakora leyo mali yakho
singathatha umahlambi
yakho
next game ngimfuna uzidonga
uthemba umahlambi
sifuna umahlambi
uchazi nabo bani umahlambi
khumbuza ngijabule khulu
mawuthatha umahlambi uthatha i20,000 ukuya phezulu
ngilindile
uyilindile uzokora
uyibamba